next session on Lambda Test. Lambda Test is a cross-browser and a cross-device testing platform that allows you to perform native app as well as web app testing on both browsers as well as different sets of devices. Lambda Test allows you to perform both manual as well as automation testing on the cloud. Today, I'll be talking about how you can perform manual testing on browsers on both desktop browsers as well as device browsers. What you see on the screen is the UI where you can quickly jump in under real-time testing under browser testing. Lambda Test supports all the browsers available. We support browsers from Chrome, Firefox, Safari, Edge, IE, Brave, Opera, and Yandex from versions starting from the latest to the legacy versions available. We also support all the operating systems and different resolutions. How you can start testing is simply by entering the URL, select the browser, the version you want to test on, any operating system and resolution of your choice. Simply click on start. As soon as you click on start, you'll get a machine or you'll get a device located of your choice. And this particular browser that you is as good as your local browser. Just like you can perform on your local browser, simply right click and click on the inspect element to view the page source, network logs, the console logs, etc. On top of it, there are a few additional features that you provide which will make your life much easier. First one is Marcus bug. Marcus bug captures a screenshot of the viewport that you're working on and allows you to directly mark any bug or any anomaly that you find out while testing on the website directly to your bug marking tool or your project management tool. And that's how Lambda Test supports. Since Lambda supports integration with more than 120 plus bug management and project management tools, also different communication channels, it makes it easier for the tester to directly log in bug from this Lambda Test UI to your bug marking tool. How easy is it to do? As you saw, I just click on mark as bug, it captures the viewport. Just simply mark in the issue, write a text. Let's say it is a bug. You can highlight it, you can underline it, you can mark it at different shapes, and then simply click on mark as bug. As soon as you click on mark as bug, it will give you a pop-up of the integrated tool that you have. In my case, since I have not integrated with any of the bug marking tools, I get by default get the Lambda Test pop-up where I get different fields. And in your case, you'll get all the important fields that you need to fill out before marking a bug. Just simply enter in the assignee, the issue type, priority, for summary, and here you can see that it also has an integration with Microsoft Teams. So since I mentioned that Lambda Test also supports integration with different communication channels, so if you have your Lambda Test account integrated with any of your communication channels, you can also send out this bug directly to the specific channel as well. Once you have all the details entered, simply click on create an issue and this will automatically log a bug onto your bug marking tool. You can see the bug has been marked successfully. And then if you want to share this particular bug or this particular error with someone who's not working inside your organization, but the development team for this is being outsourced and you want to directly share it outside, so you have an option where you can directly click on the share option and share it directly with anyone outside the team as well. Then if you do not have to mark just one screenshot, but you need multiple screenshots or you're continuing testing, so you can directly save these also where you can later mark them all together into one bug. Then the second feature is video recording. Video recording simply, as you can see, let's say if there's an issue that pops up or that comes up only after performing a few actions or a few steps on the particular website, or you want the developer and your tester or your teammate to know how that particular issue or that particular um, bug can be reproduced. You can record a video to showcase the steps and share that video with the team. The gallery section holds all the screenshots and the videos that you captured. The video, since I just captured, takes a couple of minutes. I'll just relaunch it and you can see the video is also here. Then from the gallery section, you can also select all of the screenshots that you captured while you're performing a testing. And if you want to log them as one single bug, you can simply select the screenshots and create a bug, mark it there again. So I'll not do it again. Then on the fly, let's say if you want to add a Google extension or you want to test out a particular extension, you can simply add in the extension path or the Chrome extension link directly here and click on add. And this allows you to add in or work with the different extensions that you need for your testing in real time. And on the fly, if you want to change the resolution that you want to mark a bug or find an issue on a different resolution, you can change the resolution on the fly as well. Then comes in the IP geolocation. Let's say the website is accessible all around the globe and you want to see how a user from Israel or a different part of the world is able to view the website, and if that particular UI is working as expected, you just simply can search the particular country from where you want to see that. So in this case, I'll simply select Israel and you'll see on the screen that google.com, which was currently showing in English, now has been changed to the particular language based on the location. There is a particular use case where you might want to upload some particular files or txts while you're performing the testing. So you can simply do that directly from here, and you can choose the files from your local as well. You just simply click on upload files. It will automatically open up your local directory. You select the file or the document you want to upload and simply click on upload. Then in the settings, we also have a few options where you can change the idle timeout. Idle timeout is basically nothing, but if you're working between multiple um, tabs or multiple things that you're working on and you do not want to come back on Lambda test and start the session all over again, because in this case the Lambda test session will time out if left idle in the next 5 minutes. You can increase that timeout by 60 minutes so that even if you're working on multiple things, you can come back and start testing again from wherever you left off. Then you also have an option to change the time zone and your location again, and you also have an option to select the accessibility by choosing the screen reader and everything that you touch.
NVDA speech viewer. NVDA speech viewer. Show speech.
Yep. Screen reader allows you to read all of the options available on the screen. Yep. So after all of these options, using the red icon, you can just simply end the session. And thank you for watching the browser testing session with MTest. In the next video, we'll cover browser testing on emulators and simulators.